Not enough time to clean your house? Don't worry, the magic of technology is here with robot vacuums. In today's video, we've picked the best robot vacuums of 2025 for you. But hold on, this isn't just any list. Which vacuum takes on pet hair like a pro? Which one is a true bang-for-your-buck champion? Stick around till the end, because one of these robots could be the hero your home needs. All right, let's dive in. Number 5. SwitchBot K10 Plus. Cleaning your home just got smarter with the SwitchBot Mini Robot Vacuum K10 Plus. As the name suggests, this compact device delivers an incredibly powerful cleaning experience. Thanks to its small design, it excels at reaching corners, tackling not just dirt on your floors, but also saving you valuable time. This smart robot uses LiDAR navigation to systematically and thoroughly map out every corner, ensuring no spot is missed. Plus, with its self-emptying dustbin, you can say goodbye to constantly emptying the bin yourself. Cleaning is now less of a hassle and more of a breeze. As for the mopping pads, they might not work miracles, but that's balanced out by K10 Plus's outstanding vacuuming performance. If a self-emptying system isn't a must-have for you, you might consider more budget-friendly alternatives like the iRobot Roomba Combo Essential, which offers better mopping performance. However, if top-notch vacuuming is what you're after, the K10 Plus is the perfect pick. The K10 Plus redefines your cleaning routine by delivering big results in a small package. It's not just a device, it's your next-generation cleaning assistant. Number 4. Roborock Q5 Pro Plus. Want your floors shining? The Roborock Q5 is exactly what you need. It's built to tackle bare floors like a pro, picking up debris in seconds. Plus, it's compact enough to clean under most tables and chairs without a problem. This little powerhouse is all about getting your space spotless. However, when it comes to deep grout lines on tile floors, it might struggle a bit. The side brush sometimes just sweeps debris to the side instead of directing it to the main suction area, but that doesn't take away from its overall performance. The best part? It can run for 3 hours on a single charge. That's a solid amount of cleaning time, even compared to other robot vacuums. It can cover your entire house without needing a recharge. While the build is mostly solid, there are small gaps around the LiDAR port, which can let fine allergens slip through. But don't worry, that doesn't affect its cleaning power at all. If you're looking for a simple, reliable cleaning assistant, the Roborock Q5 is the way to go. It's ready to keep your home sparkling. Number 3. Dreame X40 Ultra. The Dreame X40 Ultra is a game-changer in the world of robot vacuums. With its advanced brushes and mop pads, it can reach areas that regular vacuums struggle to clean, like the edges of furniture. And when it comes to high-pile carpets, it automatically pulls back the mop pads, preventing cross-contamination and delivering effective cleaning on any surface. If you have pets, this robot vacuum is a lifesaver. It's incredibly efficient at picking up pet hair, making your cleaning routine much easier. Plus, its long battery life means it can handle larger homes with ease, covering every nook and cranny without skipping a beat. Of course, like any product, the Dreame X40 Ultra has a few drawbacks. The app can be a bit complicated to use, and the weak suction power of the base station might not live up to expectations for automatic dust disposal. On top of that, its operating costs are a little higher compared to other models. If you're looking to take your cleaning to the next level, this robot vacuum is definitely worth considering. Number 2. iRobot Roomba J9 Combo Plus. Looking for a cleaning assistant that's so smart and powerful, it'll leave you amazed? Meet the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus, a game-changer in cleaning technology. With its dirt detective system, the Roomba J9 Plus doesn't just clean, it cleans with purpose. It identifies the dirtiest spots in your home and targets them first, ensuring no corner is left untouched. Powered by a robust suction motor and a high-capacity battery, this vacuum handles even the toughest messes effortlessly. What really sets it apart is its self-emptying feature. Say goodbye to the hassle of daily dustbin emptying. The J9 Plus automatically transfers debris from its internal bin to a bag in the docking station, making your life easier. And then there's the Precision Vision navigation system, which takes smart cleaning to a whole new level. It avoids obstacles like pet messes and cables in real time, adapting to your home's layout with remarkable precision. It's like having a cleaning assistant that knows your home as well as you do. With its innovative features and cutting-edge technology, the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus is here to make your cleaning routine smarter, easier, and more efficient than ever before. Number 1. Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra, the pinnacle of cleaning. Are you ready to meet the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra? This robot vacuum and mop is a real game-changer. Packed with high-performance features, it gets the job done effortlessly, whether you've got carpets or hard floors. Its sturdy build and user-friendly app make cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a breeze. Of course, even top-tier tech isn't perfect. During my tests, the built-in voice assistant wasn't always reliable, and the side brush didn't pop out when it was supposed to. But honestly, these are minor quirks that a quick software update can easily fix. Despite these small hiccups, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is a cleaning powerhouse. If you're someone who loves having precise control over your cleaning routine, this little robot is an excellent pick. Ready to take your cleaning game to the next level? This might just be the one for you.